भारती न्यूज, सीधा, सटीक और निष्पक्ष।
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Entertainment Tadka. I am your host Muskan. Tonight we have an electrifying segment lined up for you as we dive deep into one of the most awaited films of the year. Yes, you heard that right. Stree 2. Yes, the film that took the Indian box office by storm with its unique blend of horror and comedy is back with a sequel that promises to be even more thrilling, more mysterious and more entertaining. Let's rewind for a moment. The first Stree movie was released in 2018 was a groundbreaking success. It introduced us to the tale of the small town haunted by a spirit Stree who would abduct men at night, leaving behind nothing but their clothes. The movie wasn't just about the scares, it was a commentary on societal norms and it delivered laughs and chills in equal measure. Directed by Amar Kaushik and starring Rajkumar Rao, Shraddha Kapoor, Pankaj Tripathi, Stree became a cultural phenomenon. Its famous line, "Oh Stree, Kal Aana," became a part of everyday conversation, and the film's mix of horror and humor was something Indian cinema had never seen before. Now the excitement is building up as Stree 2 has already hit the cinemas. The sequel promises to take us back to the same spooky town, but this time the mystery is even deeper. What happened to Stree after the events of the first film? And more importantly, what will Vicky, played by the incredibly talented Rajkumar Rao, do next? Rajkumar Rao is back in the role as the charming yet slightly clueless tailor who became the town's hero in the first film. His performance in Stree was nothing short of brilliant, balancing comedy and fear with ease. And we can't wait to see what he brings to the table in the sequel. And then there's Shraddha Kapoor, whose character left us all with many questions in the first movie. Was she Stree? Was she something else entirely? In Stree 2, we might get some answers, or perhaps even more questions. Shraddha's performance kept audiences guessing, and her return is one of the most anticipated aspects of the sequel.
बस अभी 12th खत्म हुई थी और अब आधे से ज्यादा टाइम ये सोचकर निकाल देते हो कि विच करियर टू चूज. वेल, इन दैट केस आई गॉट यू कवर्ड. ये वीडियो एंड तक देखना, क्या पता आई विल जस्ट मेक अप योर माइंड. यू मस्ट हैव थॉट ऑफ कोई बस ऐसा कोर्स मिल जाए जहाँ अनलिमिटेड जॉब ऑप्शंस हो, क्योंकि मैं भी यही सोचती थी. जैसे कि जर्नलिस्ट, न्यूज एंकर, रेडियो जॉकी, स्क्रीन राइटर, वीडियो एडिटर, इवेंट मैनेजर, ग्राफिक डिजाइनर, सिनेमैट, फोटोग्राफर, डायरेक्टर, पब्लिक रिलेशन ऑफिसर, एंटरप्रेन्योर. इनफैक्ट इन सबसे भी ज्यादा जॉब ऑप्शंस चाहिए. तो जस्ट चूज BAJMC एज योर करियर. BAJMC is not just about theory but plenty of practical knowledge too. BAJMC as a course आपको provide करता है world की better understanding, meeting और working with people of top notch industry. और सिर्फ यही नहीं, BAJMC as a course आपको help करता है to grow personally and professionally too. So what are you waiting for? Choose BAJMC क्योंकि इधर आपको मिलेंगी endless possibilities.
Let's not forget Pankaj Tripathi, whose portrayal of the wise-wrecking Rudra Bhaiya is one of the highlights of the film. In Stree 2, he's back with the signature wit and wisdom, ready to guide Vicky and the gang through yet another supernatural adventure. Pankaj Tripathi's timing and delivery are impeccable, and his character's unique blend of knowledge and humor adds a special flavor to the movie. But what's new in Stree 2? Well, the filmmakers have been tight-lipped about the plot, but they have promised that the sequel will be scarier and funnier with an even more gripping storyline. The town is once again under threat, and this time the stakes are higher than ever. Expect more twists, more turns and more of that atmosphere that made the first film such a hit. Director Amar Kaushik, who made his directorial debut with Stree, returns to helm the sequel. His fresh approach to the horror comedy genre was a revelation, and with Stree 2, he aims to push the boundaries even further. Kaushik's direction combined with a sharp script and stellar performance is what made Stree a success, and there's no doubt that the sequel will deliver on all fronts. The film's music too is something to look out for. The first movie had some memorable tracks that perfectly captured the spooky yet the playful tone of the film, and the sequel is expected to follow suit with the soundtrack that will get you tapping your feet and maybe checking over the shoulder too. I'm sure fans who eagerly waited for sequel aren't disappointed. Some questions that arose in the last part are finally answered, or maybe people are left more confused. Will Vicky finally unveil the secret of his three? Will we learn the truth about Shraddha Kapoor's character? And what new terrors await the town? This is one cinematic experience you won't want to miss. A perfect blend of humor and horror that will have you laughing, screaming, and maybe even hiding behind your popcorn. Thank you for tuning in to Entertainment Tadka, where we bring you all the latest gossip from the world of entertainment. Until next time, stay spooky and remember, OS3 Raksha Karna.